welcome back. It's Brent again. And today we're going to talk about hoisting material up in the high lines or high areas, and we're going to demonstrate with some cable tray and some cable. First off, we assess our area, know where we're going to be pulling the material. Set up our warning ribbons to keep people averted that there's going to be a hazard because we're lifting material at heights. Make sure you tag it, list your task, your company name, the contact person, the channel on, and the dates in effect. If this continues on, just quickly change the date instead of the whole tag. But if you have to, make sure you've got a tag on your surroundings. And also, if we can, put a sandwich board up as well, and it will demonstrate that there's overhead work. We may have spots where we can't tie any ribbon, there's nothing to tie to, have something to advertise that you're lifting. Once you get to your spot, check your area, see how you're going to be pulling your material up. What's the best way so you're not hitting anything or causing obstructions, causing damage to the material you're lifting. We're doing a short little pull up top with a piece of 2-foot tray, and I've got a good rundown with the cable. What I do, take the cable, make sure the ends are tied off so they don't fray out, and I wrap around 2 rungs, and I go around twice. Just do a normal knot, double it up, pull on it, make sure it's tight. And with this, make sure the cable is wrapped around there tight too. You don't want it loose because what that does is allow play on the tray. That will just cause it to swing and whatever else. And this way here, it'll pull up no problem. With cables, first off, make a knot around the bottom. Make sure it's somewhat tight. Slide it down a fair distance, and what you do is do a reverse knot or reverse slip. So what happens is the rope is pulled, and what it does cause is the rope itself to grab itself, binding it into the cable. Do 2 or 3 of these on the cable, depending on how big you've got the cable. And keep it tight so it doesn't slip. If it's a short cable, small cable, you shouldn't have to tie off the top part. It should be able to be pulled up, no problem. If it's a bigger cable, take some tape, quickly do a quick couple wraps around here to keep this from slipping off.